Hey guys, what is going on? It is RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name is Nolan. In today's video, I have got my Traxxas Drag Slash build out, and I've made a few changes since the last running video. Let me go ahead and take the body off. I'll show you exactly what's going on. Last video I was running a 16 tooth pinion, which was way too low a gearing. I've been waiting for a 26 tooth to come in the mail, which finally has arrived, so I went ahead and put the 26 tooth in. So now it has a 26 tooth pinion and a 92 spur gear, so it's geared up significantly, so it should have much better top end. And also I'm hoping that it's more likely to launch better with that higher gearing, because it won't be quite as torquey. Now I also went ahead, I took the diffuser off, I took that wheelie bar off, and I went ahead and I put the Traxxas Drag Slash wheelie bar on. So I got this mounted up all nice. The front bumper. So the front bumper, this originally had the splitter that went with this kit. So this AJC Aero kit, but it was dragging on the ground. So I went ahead and I bought this, I think it's Ecotech or Exotech. I can't remember. It's either Ecotech or Exotech. It's like aluminum / carbon fiber. And it's got a foam front bumper, and this sits up way higher. I went ahead and put this on the front. I went ahead and put some preload spacers on the passenger side, because the thing I think I determined last time was the thing was drooping to the passenger side. So the thing was leaning, the whole car was leaning. I think it's from the extra weight of the ESC is the reason why it was leaning. So I went ahead and put another preload spacer on the passenger side shock, as well as the rear one on this side to help even out the stance of the car. So I'm hoping that'll make it launch better. Now it does still have the planetary differential, but hopefully it'll have the even amount of weight on both sides so those wheels can both hook up. What else? Oh, the other thing I did was I went ahead and I installed a fan. So right here, this is a ProTech fan, and I had this mount right here that actually mounts onto this 3-inch body mount extension. So I mounted that up, and I have that wired through the rear shock tower and into the receiver box, and that'll hopefully help keep that motor cool. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna start off with this ZOP lipo power pack. I believe it's a 60C discharge rate, 2-cell pack, 6,000 milliamp. And then I'm gonna move on to, I have another 3S, I think a 55C discharge rate, 6,000 milliamp 3S pack that I'm gonna run in this thing. So let's see how she does on 2S, guys. Let me go ahead and get the body thrown on, get her turned on, and we're gonna start making some passes. Let's go ahead and power on the ESC. But that ProTech fan is a major fan. Like, I can feel the air it's pushing. A very loud fan as well. Guys, I do apologize before we jump into this video. It's a little breezy out, and I'm right by a road, so just bear with me if you hear any kind of outside noises. Hopefully it won't be too bad. So let me get the body on and we'll get started ripping. Gosh, can you guys hear how loud that fan is? That fan is loud. It sounds almost like a vacuum. So my normal go-to spot over there, they're doing some type of event or something over there, so the parking lot's full. So unfortunately, I just have this little stretch right here of road to work with for testing out the Drag Slash. And like I said, it is quite breezy and I'm not very sheltered, so, but what do you guys think? Should we just start off with a launch? I'm gonna go ahead and turn my TSM all the way off, so I'm not cheating, because with Drag Slash competition, you're not allowed to use any type of gyro feature. And this is a 2S pack, so right now everything should be legal to actually compete. Either way, I have it turned off, as you guys can see, and we're gonna do a launch. Ready, get set, go. Oh yeah, much better. That was a much better launch with no gyro. And on the brakes. Let's do a flyby from right there. Ready, here we go. I almost needed the wheelie bar. It looked like it started to jump a little bit there. Wow, she is way faster. Oops, in the grass. And lost control. All right, I think that thing looks pretty sweet, doesn't it? I really do like the Drag Slash wheelie bar. Super cool looking. Another launch. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go! Alright guys, that was basically pinned. Ooh, I hit a crack in the road. Alrighty guys, bringing her back. Pin. And on the brakes. She feels so much more planted now. So much more planted than she did before. Ooh, tumbled it, gotta go get it. Alrighty guys, I'll get this flipped over. let's go ahead, let's turn her around. We'll do a launch in this direction, guys. Wind might be worse from right here. We're gonna do a launch. 1, 2, 3, go! That time didn't exactly, ooh, I ran right into that pole. I'm a moron. She's moving though, now with the 26-tooth Pinion, she's way faster. All right, launch from right there, here we go. Oh, into the grass. Okay, another one from right there. And then we gotta switch to a 3S pack. So the TSM's turned off. This is all me, 2S pack, here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. That was a good launch. That was actually not bad. That was not bad at all, actually. And this stretch right here probably is somewhere right around 132 feet. So it's probably about the length of like a drag slash distance, or a drag car distance, like a race. You know what, we're gonna cheat, we're gonna do a TSM pass and see how good it will go with the TSM pass with the gyro turned all the way on. Launch from right there. Ready, get set, and go! You can see the gyro trying to keep it going straight. And she actually picked up those front tires, I think, ever so slightly. Another one from right there. Yep, just look at it. And on the brakes before I hit that dead end. Let me get right here so if it does wheelie, we can get a good shot of it. Here we go, 1, 2, 3, go! Actually there, she spun a little bit. She spun. Let's go put the 3S pack in, guys. All right, let me get back to the car, get the 3S pack swapped in, and then we'll keep on going and see what she does. She should be able to wheelie pretty easily on 3S, but 3S is cheating because 3S you cannot use with a competition car. Or in competition, I should say. Also, guys, if you're enjoying this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. I put a lot of time and effort into making these videos, and anytime you guys do leave a thumbs up, I do greatly appreciate it. All right, guys, let me get the 3S pack installed, and we'll do some more ripping. Gosh, guys, I feel like a fool. I went ahead, I pulled the body off. I'm like, where the heck did the bumper go? The bumper was gone. I realized when I ran to that pole earlier on, when I was first starting the passes, I realized I ran right in that pole. That's where it was. I didn't realize it came off when I hit that pole, so it must have stripped the threads out. Hopefully we can still get it screwed back in. We will have to see, I guess. I'll leave her off for right now though, because I don't have my tools handy. So we'll just try not to hit anything. Alrighty, guys, I just got the 3S pack installed. I'm gonna take her down along the strip right over here and do some passes, and I'll bring the carpet in so we can do a burnout, see if she'll really launch. But this is not the greatest surface to launch on right here, unfortunately. But we make do with what we have. Should we try a burnout, guys? Well, first let's see how she launches without the burnout. I want to see how she launches without the burnout. Alright, guys, ready for a launch on 3S? 1, 2, 3, go! Ooh! So now we're gonna run 50% TSM, and now we're gonna try a launch. Ready, get set, go. A little better. She's definitely doing wheelies though. Just check it out, is that not cool? All right, spinning around. Oh yeah, that was nice. Oh, crash! Guys, we're gonna turn the TSM all the way off, actually. Get another launch. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh! Crap! I crashed it. Looks like we broke a piece right here. Yeah, that broke right there. Now the wheelie bar's all kitty womping. Yeah. Bummer. All right, we're gonna do a flyby. Here we go. Rolling onto the throttle. Oh, Jesus Christ! Oh, Jesus Christ! We crashed again, and I didn't even get it up to full throttle either. let's get over to it and see what type of damage there is. The whole back portion broke, guys. Crap. So let's get her over to the car and see what's up. So here's what happened, guys. So the screws that I have going into the actual extended body mount right here actually came out, so they got stripped. And then this right here, the 3D printed plastic, which you can kind of see 3D printed plastic. I think that's 3D printed plastic. That broke. This side already had broke and I tried gluing it, so I'll either need a new one of these mounts or I'm gonna have to glue that. That kind of sucks. But we're gonna try a burnout real quick. Now we can't run the body though. So we've lost two things, guys, in just this quick run. I lost the bumper and I lost the extended body mount broke. So we're not faring great. And this is just a test. So the wheelie bar is barely on now because it's not even being held. Okay, this got stripped out too. Right there, that pulled out because that was connected to that screw. We can try a burnout real quick and just run it with the body off and see if she'll launch. That's about all we can do at this point, guys. Let's do that real quick. She is not in good shape, but we'll try out a burnout and see how she does. I don't even know if I can hold on to this wheelie bar. The wheelie bar is barely attached. All right, guys, time for a burnout. Ready, get set, and go. Oh, the tires already come undone. Look at the luck I've had, guys. Everything's falling apart. Well, we're still gonna try a launch. All right, that should be good enough. Now for a launch. You can tell the tires are sticky because look how much grass they picked up. All right, guys, 1, 2, 3, go. Oh yeah, it hooks way better. Oh my gosh. You guys seeing this? The whole car's in pieces now though. So we got the whole car in pieces, but she does hook. She hooks pretty hard actually. Alright guys, I don't want to break it anymore. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I'll get this thing fixed up and I'll have it ready to go in another video. So take it easy guys.